clean my windows once window film has been applied? Well, here at Madico you'll be glad to know the process for cleaning filmed windows is very similar to cleaning ordinary windows. But before you go run and grab your cleaning products, make sure that the film has fully cured. Generally, we recommend waiting 30 days after the film has been installed before its first cleaning. Okay, let's pretend 30 days or more have passed. What's the cleaning procedure? Step 1. What amazing specialized cleaning process will you need to follow? Well, good news here. You can use any normal off-the-shelf glass cleaner you can get at any grocery store. Just make sure anything you use does not have abrasive materials. Step 2. To scrub your windows, use a soft, clean cloth, soft paper towel, or a clean synthetic sponge. And when we say scrub, we mean a normal amount of effort. No hard scrubbing, and again, use nothing abrasive. Step 3. To finish, use a soft cloth or squeegee for drying the window, and avoid any cleaning tools that may scratch the film. Thought it was going to be harder, didn't you? Nah, just be gentle with your window cleaning, and your window will be nice in return.